In 1992, a man formed a lotto syndicate with one simple plan: to guarantee a rollover lotto jackpot win of £1.7 million in old money.
Oh, that's a lot.
What I discovered was a weakness in the National Lottery system at the time, purely because they offered a £100, plus pounds at the time, of course, bonus for every player that matched 4 numbers. But they only had this offer 3 times a year, usually bank holiday weekends, that kind of thing. So I calculated very simply that by purchasing all the numbers, that there would be 6,500 winning combinations guaranteed with 4 numbers. Now that equated £650,000. So on top of that, with the smaller prizes, it would have brought it over 700,000 to £750,000, and that's excluding a jackpot prize. So by purchasing all the numbers, it effectively, the risk was minimal, a very small risk involved, and it needed realistically a rollover jackpot in combination with the special offer of £100 for every 4-number prize. So bank holiday weekend came, or was coming. Wednesday night's jackpot, we needed that to be rolled over. Here we were at 9 o'clock at night on Wednesday evening to see the result. Lo and behold, no winner. Jackpot was going to be 1.7 million or thereabouts on the Saturday. So we decided, now's the time, here we go.
How did you come up, like, where were you? Were you in the pub? How did the calculation come to you?
Well, it came to me about a year earlier. It just seemed to come naturally. It was like a progression of events. God, there's something wrong with the system, the lottery methodology, why they're doing this. So I approached the National Lottery about a year earlier, and I said, look, if I purchase all the combinations, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, say, because it had to be a game of chance. So by eliminating one combination, it was a game of chance. So I said, right, guys, will you take £1 million by bank transfer or whatever? Give me one ticket. And they said, no, we won't. But they said, you could go and mark all the cards. So in back of my mind, I said, okay, guys, I'm going to do just that.